All right, welcome everyone, and good morning or good afternoon for some of you. My name is Morgan Barth. I am a regional director here at GoldenCare, and I want to thank you all for joining me today. I recognize the value of your time and appreciate you dedicating a portion of your day to be here. And today's topic is outlining all your extended care plan options within GoldenCare's product portfolio. Now, the senior market has become flooded with products over the years, and I personally compare it to walking down the cereal aisle at the grocery store. There's so many options, and if you don't know what you're going for, you can become very overwhelmed. And if you're in a hurry, you definitely want to avoid this aisle. So, with GoldenCare and how that translates over to all of the products in the market, we help navigate them, place your client with the right fit product. And if you're not well informed or versed with that product, we will help you out, and we have a lot of training available. So your point is, with GoldenCare, we got your back every step of the way. And I also want to point out, this is kind of a series that we have of webinars. We also have, so the follow-up to this, Manny Rosen next week on Wednesday at 11. Also, it's going to be outlining all the short-term care SCC options. And then following that, Jeff Clark will be covering the long-term care portion of it, outlining all of the long-term care options. So I want to express the need and knowledge of extended care and where the different product options may fit based off of your client's needs. And before we delve into the core content, let's cover a few brief housekeeping items. First, please be assured that these presentation slides will be shared with all attendees following the webinar. So therefore, no detailed or copious note taking. Should you need to depart early, note we are recording this presentation, and a link will be sent out along with the slides, so for the follow-up email. We strongly encourage you to get contracted. With GoldenCare, if you're not already, our diverse product portfolio offers solutions for various clients' needs, which enables you to expand your business capabilities, and you'll be equipped with the best in-field back office support. Basically, if you're not contracted with us yet, you're leaving money on the table. Don't let your sales suffer from, this is trademarked by the way, FMOMO, which is Field Marketing Organization Missed Opportunity. So in other words, join us, let's boost your sales today. And then lastly, I'd like to invite you to our exclusive STC group on LinkedIn. This group provides access to industry updates, new marketing resources, and valuable sales insights, so supporting your ongoing professional development. Why partner with GoldenCare? Well, we provide a robust infrastructure designed to empower our agents. When you work with GoldenCare, you're not just showing up you're not just signing up for a contract, you're joining a team that's dedicated to helping you succeed. We've built a whole suite of tools and resources designed specifically with agents in mind, which includes our portfolio products, our superior backend support. We have a product and sales training as we do these live webinars. We record them. We have a whole library on goldencareagent.com. Our rewards program, acknowledging your achievements along the way, and then advanced tools such as InstaPivot. It's the underwriting tool. We have our underwriting concierge program to streamline the process, decline placement, and then comprehensive tools like StratDecision, CSG actuarial, and we offer discounted E&O. And then also care options is included. We give that it's free to cost for you with your clients later once they go on claim, kind of navigating the options that are out there. If you haven't checked it out, I highly encourage you to do so. And then since we are a company that's under integrity, we have their CRM access and their benefits that are included as well. So these resources are designed to enhance your efficiency and sales potential. So if you're not yet contracted again with us, call us and we'll get you set up. Alrighty, here am I. Here's me. As I mentioned, I'm Morgan Barth, one of the regional directors here at GoldenCare. My role is to help agents like you navigate the extended care landscape, understand the options, and ultimately help more clients. So I've firsthand seen the difference these plans make for families, and I'm passionate about empowering agents to bring these solutions to people who desperately need them. You also receive support from our wonderful regional director team here. We also have Jeff Clark and Manny Rosen, Jeff Clark being the leader of the pack. I also want to give a shout out to Renee Stutz, Corey Fountain, Lynn Voss. We are truly a team committed to your success, and our marketing team has insurance industry experience from inside out, backwards, forward, meaning we've pretty much seen it all, and we leverage that expertise to ensure superior service for you. And seriously, if you need anything, we're always here to help. We want to help you. Think of us as your personal navigators in the sometimes choppy seas of insurance. Okay, first up, let's discuss terminology. As clear communication is paramount in our field, in our industry, words matter. Most of you know that, and sometimes those words can create confusion or even negative perceptions. We've all heard of long-term care and short-term care, right? And often those terms can bring those misconceptions along with the names. So people hear long-term care and immediately think nursing home, it's expensive, hard to obtain, underwriting. They hear short-term care and they think, oh, well, that's not really coverage if it only covers a short time frame. So that's why at GoldenCare, we prefer to use extended care as an umbrella term. Think of it as a nice big friendly umbrella covering a whole range of solutions. It's a broader, more inclusive term that encompasses everything from periodic visits from home health care, a short-term or recovery care setting, all the way to comprehensive long-term care and hybrid coverage. It's all about proactive planning, helping clients prepare now for all of life's what ifs. So here at GoldenCare, we have nice printed hard copies of this document that it expresses the need of extended care, and it's consumer based. A lot of our agents are utilizing this out in the field when they're presenting the extended care products, and you can request hard copies actually if you go to our goldencareagent.com/request-stc-guide. So I encourage you all to utilize this guide and yeah, come request it, check it out. We can send you a PDF copy so you can see it prior to requesting the hard copy. And moving on, I want to discuss or stress why every agent needs extended care solutions in their portfolio. So integration of extended care solutions into every agent's portfolio, it's no longer merely advantageous, it's imperative at this point. Why? Well, in today's financial and insurance landscape, these solutions are fundamental because extended care planning is an essential component for protecting clients' retirement income, preserving their independence, and maintaining their dignity. So without adequate planning, a significant health event can rapidly deplete accumulated assets and compromise financial security. And as the demand for care continues to escalate, traditional funding sources face increasing strain. Agents don't know how to offer the full suite of extended care solutions, so that risks leaving their clients vulnerable. And furthermore, this represents a missed opportunity for the agent as it can contribute to your business growth. So key takeaway message, portfolio diversity directly translates to more sales and better client outcomes. And why is the need so high? Because the consumer need has never been higher. We have hit the wave of baby boomers on the verge of needing care. So these stats underscore the urgency and scope of this opportunity, as it's a substantial 70% of Americans age 65 and older will require some form of long-term care. So this is a significant segment of the client base out there. Care costs continue to climb, with expenses for home care, assisted living, and nursing home outpacing the general inflation. This is creating also financial pressure, and unfortunately, families are increasingly unprepared, both financially and emotionally. So to manage these costs and demands, clients are not merely interested in the solutions, they genuinely need them. And that's where you come into play. They're seeking this professional guidance and navigating these complex decisions. So by offering a diverse range of product types, you, the agent, can precisely match the appropriate solution for your client's age, health status, care preferences, and financial budget. So a tailored approach is essential. And if you need help, again, remember, we're here for you. We've studied these products in and out, a lot of experience behind the industry. So call us if you need us, we're here. And in addition to that last slide, fact is, post-COVID, the demand for these products has never been higher. As you know, it continues to increase. The pandemic, it really highlighted the critical need for proactive care planning. And consider these compelling stats. 90% of married couples will require some type of care in their lifetimes. So that's a profound amount of married, of all your married couples or clients out there. And a concerning 90% of adults have never had the real discussion. So this indicates a significant education gap and an opportunity for you agents to initiate these conversations. And lastly, a stark 61% surveyed indicated they would rather die than reside in a nursing home. So it's a clear call to action. It's time to present these products that will change a life or several in ways that only the butterfly effect will understand. Clients are waiting for you, your professional guidance. So let us be the resources to help you and guide you along the way. All right, so given that substantial market need, let's take a look at GoldenCare's offerings. So here you can see we have a vast product portfolio. We have strategically hand-selected these products, to address the diverse need of the senior market. Our short-term care solutions are designed they bridge the Medicare gap, support short and potential long-duration recovery plans or needs, and they offer immediate relief during critical periods. The home health care plans cater to majority of seniors, as 80% of your clients out there express a strong preference for aging in place. And for more extensive and prolonged care needs, we offer robust traditional long-term care products that address the catastrophic multi-year exposures, and our hybrid and linked benefit long-term care solutions. They are getting pretty popular. So they're meeting that rising market demand for products that combine long-term care benefits with life insurance or annuity components, and they offer integrated financial planning. So we're going to be focusing on the short-term care, home health care, traditional LTC, and the hybrid or linked benefit today. Before I go into those specific products, I just want to touch on this significant fact. If you haven't felt it or seen it, you will, because it's here, the shifting market towards short-term care. So historically, traditional long-term care insurance was the primary solution, known for its comprehensive benefits, but often accompanied with extensive underwriting, higher premiums. But however, on the flip side of that, short-term care is experiencing a rapid growth because these offer enhanced coverage levels. There's no refined certification requirements and much more lenient underwriting. So what this translates to you for the agent and your clients is there's substantial opportunity. While traditional LTC involves rigorous underwriting process, that's where short-term care is stepping up to provide coverage in similar care settings, but with less underwriting and generally a lot lower premiums. This market evolution is highly significant because it allows a greater number of your clients to qualify and afford essential care coverage. So it broadens the scope of individuals you can assist, making it a vital protection more attainable. So you can either embrace this shift or be left in the dust with some names I shall not mention. Moving on. So here is, this slide is just kind of an extension of the last one, outlining the benefits of short-term care and why it's got a place and the importance of it. You know, again, includes simplified underwriting, the application process, you know, it's expedited, a lot faster issues, lower premiums again, making coverage more affordable, faster claim triggers compared to traditional long-term care. Doesn't have that 90-day certification requirement that, you know, can stand in the way of anyone with just a traditional long-term care policy from, you know, accessing their benefits. A lot of the claims that we're seeing today are the shorter duration events, like a knee and hip fractures, cardiac procedures, accident recovery. So that's, you know, that kind of outlines the importance of this product. So I really hope you guys kind of shift your gears towards this if you have not already. All right, and we have arrived to GoldenCare's comprehensive short-term care portfolio. So we have partnerships with several highly respected carriers across the board in extended care, and the alliances enable us to offer a broad selection of solutions, like Manhattan Life Omniflex. I would have to say this is probably hands down the most popular product that agents are having a lot of success with right now. If you don't know about it, call us. We'll catch you up to speed. And then we have Aetna's Recovery Care Choice, which is it's a revamped product from their original Recovery Care that was recently released. And this brand confidence also it integrates well for med sup producers. You know, a lot of people know the common household name Aetna. You know, a lot of your clients will be familiar with that name. A couple just highlights on that new Recovery Care Choice. I'm not going to go deep dive into the product, but the facility benefit actually goes up to $700 daily now, and they have added inflation. They got a couple options, 3 or 5%, and then a lot of additional built-in features like home modification, pet boarding. So yeah, if you want to discuss further, feel free to call us, and we can do more of a deep dive with you. And then we also have Bankers Fidelity, Vantage Recovery, Cigna's Choice Short-Term Care, GTL, Recover Cash, Wellaby's Essential Care Short-Term. And, you know, so each of these products, they offer similar but also a little bit different advantages. So they all allow for customization to meet your client's specific needs and financial parameters. And again, if you want assistance navigating these, see what product's the best fit for your client, we can certainly do that for you. So I kind of covered some of this, but key selling points for the short-term care. Again, easier triggers for claims. You can oftentimes people elect no elimination period because it's so affordable, so they can access their benefits, you know, right away for those recovery claims. And it, you know, helps with those Medicare gaps that a lot of people don't know about or experience until, you know, something does happen. And also it's an excellent alternative for clients who may have been priced out of traditional long-term care or decline because of their health issues. It also goes up to age 89, so that makes it more accessible to, you know, a broader segment of the senior market. And it can be officially paired or stacked with Medicare or other existing long-term care hybrid plans to really expand your client's safety net. We highly encourage, you know, stacking these products. You can really create, even if they're not eligible for long-term care or hybrid, they can still create a robust safety net with stacking these products. And then, it's, like I said, it's a great cross-selling opportunity. So if you want to, discuss that further, how to do so and which products you would do it with, we're here to help you navigate that process as well. All right, we're shifting to standalone home health care and service plans. So these plans address the prevalent desire among seniors to remain in their homes for recovery. And coverage and services typically include skilled nursing, home health aid support, physical therapy, and other in-home treatments, bringing in essential care directly to the client. And they have flexible access and eligibility, often featuring the least stringent underwriting requirements of all these products. There's typically just a few or two to three knockout questions. So it can facilitate immediate access to home care services for a wider range of clients. And our product portfolio offers a variety of these home health care products and a membership-based solution, which I'm going to touch on real soon here. Let's look at our home health care product portfolio first. So we have GTL's short-term home health care and their home health care secure. The secure is just the older version of the short-term home health care. I'm not sure if there's that many states left that offer it, but that's where they still have the two listed there. And then Manhattan Life's home health care select product. And a little inside news, if you haven't heard yet, they are actually updating or revamping this product to add, they're adding a Fast 50 benefit like Omniflex has. It's called the Homemaker benefit. So it's going to allow policyholders to get care from a loved one, neighbor, or a friend. And then they're expanding the home health aid benefit period is going up to 360 days. They're modifying the deluxe offering, which is the most popular plan option of the three that are available, to offer a RX benefit of $900. The current is $600. And then there's some prescription drug modifications, but keep an eye out because this plan is about to be released relatively soon here. And then we also have Aetna's Continental Life or Aetna Continental Life Home Care Plus. And then the home care service plan I was speaking on was True Freedom, which, these work as standalone home health care plans, or you can layer them and stack them again. So let's just look here, and I'm going to highlight this product for a couple reasons. It's a solution that represents an innovative approach to care planning. It's a home care service plan. So note that these service plans are not insurance, but membership-based programs. So they allow individuals to prepay for their home care expenses. Members, they pre-purchase tiers of home health care hours is how it works. And these plan options were developed as an alternative to traditional insurance products. If you've got clients that you really don't think are going to get covered, there's a likely possibility that True Freedom will be an option for them. And it's available in all 50 states, which is great. So, in those states that don't have short-term care, there's still an option out there. So that broad accessibility makes True Freedom it's a significant tool providing vital care support where traditional insurance options are just might not be feasible. And then key takeaway or selling points for our home health care plans. They again offer affordable premiums with solid benefit options. Plans can cater to 80-90% of clients who prefer to receive care in their home. Simplified underwriting and fast approvals, so that fast approvals facilitate prompt access to care right away. So address your client's needs efficiently, and of course the flexibility. And again, stacking opportunities. Don't forget that. All right, now we're going to enter the realm of traditional long-term care and hybrid offerings. Let's start out with long-term care, traditional long-term care. So this is comprehensive coverage that offers long benefit periods across various care settings with some product offerings, various inflation protection choices. So when clients want the whole 9 yards, this is it. You know, we have shifted gears towards short-term care, but there's certainly still a place for long-term care. And you know, it's for those who want to be prepared for anything from a short recovery to several years of assistance. So if your clients can afford it, get through the underwriting gauntlet, it's definitely worth presenting. And then we have the hybrid life with LTC solutions. These plans combine life insurance with LTC benefits. It kind of sounds brilliant because it offers dual value, you know, either care support and or a death benefit with asset return. So if they don't use it or use that, if they don't use it, they don't lose it, per se. And you know, their beneficiaries will still receive value if they never actually touch long-term care benefits. So it's kind of like buying a 2-for-1 deal with peace of mind. The goal of both is matching coverage to risk. You know, you hit that sweet spot for your financially savvy clients. And for our long-term care portfolio, we have the biggest, most respected names in the industry. Everyone knows Mutual of Omaha. They have the custom and secure solution, which the custom offers. There's a lot of customizable features in the name, including the inflation option, shared care in many states, and it's, again, got that household name and with brand trust. We got NGL, Essential LTC, and Honest LTC. Honest LTC is a newly released revamped product. It's also got a customizable structure. They stand out with for their shared benefit or joint options, you know, for spouses. And Thrivent also is a big contender in the arena. They got conservative pricing. They're a fraternal company. Many feature options as well to customize. So they all provide substantial protection. And then lastly, we have CareScout Care Assurance. So it's an emerging approach to care navigation plus benefits. So it's very consumer friendly. And we actually have a webinar tomorrow with Mark Beener, their senior sales manager at CareScout. So if you guys want to tune into that, I believe, look at my calendar, 2 p.m. Central Time tomorrow. And so, yeah, I just want to stress we have close relationships with these carriers. So that gives us the upper hand to assist you as the agent from selecting the right product, as our knowledge is vast, and we can also provide continued support, you know, once the policy is issued. And yeah, so those are our long-term care products that we have. And moving on, we have the importance of LTC. I've covered some of this, but you know, 70%, again, 70% of adults turning 65 will require some form of long-term care during their lifetime. So it's essential to have these in your product portfolio if you don't, because they safeguard retirement savings, maintain independence for your clients, and help avoid that financial strain on family caregivers. So they typically cover a wide range of care as well, nursing home, assisted living, adult daycare, personal care in the home. They're all triggered by the inability to perform 2 or more of the activities of daily living or cognitive impairment. But also keep in mind, you do need that 90-day certification requirement. Your doctor says that you will need care for at least 90 days to be able to trigger those benefits. And again, it's a vital component of the comprehensive extended care planning to have in your portfolio. So if you want to get set up with any of these products, reach out to us and we'll help you out. And lastly, on the long-term care end, we're going to hit the key selling points. Again, robust benefit durations, capable of providing protection for many years, which is crucial given the high risk potential for extended care needs. Customizable options that they have makes them stand out. They are ideal for more of the younger, healthier clients that hopefully engage in early planning, because it often results in, lower premiums for them. Kind of the math on that is younger clients, when you're designing a plan, you kind of want to go with the longer benefit periods with the inflation, and maybe start out with a lower monthly benefit as you have that inflation added, and it's going to grow since they're hopefully they make it to the average claim age. And with older clients, we recommend typically shorter benefit periods with the higher monthly benefit. So without inflation, because that inflation, well, it depends on the age, but without that inflation rider, it gives you ability to kind of keep the premium a little bit lower, and then but providing a higher maximum monthly benefit right off the bat, because the risk is more likely in the foreseeable future for them. So by covering these significant expenses associated with multi-year care events, these policies safeguard retirement and retirement portfolios from being depleted by care costs, and preserving your client's nest egg. And next up, we have our portfolio of linked benefit hybrids. So this is they represent a sophisticated approach to integrated financial planning, combining different types of coverage. And we partner with Nationwide, Care Matters too. They also have Care Matters Together. One America has Asset Care. Securian has, this is their newly released product, Secure Care 4. And we also have Chubb, which is essentially a near guaranteed issue product. I do have a slide coming up on that. But these solutions are designed for clients who seek the security of long-term care coverage alongside that assurance that their investment retains value, either through a life insurance death benefit or an annuity asset return. If care benefits are not fully utilized, they're not losing anything with these. And just a couple highlights on the products. Nationwide Care Matters too, and Together they spend anywhere. They have strong couples design with that Together product. One America has the LTC lifetime benefit options with joint designs and 1035 friendly. And Secure Care 4, robust guaranteed premiums, strong balance of LTC pool versus the death benefit. They also have indemnity payment. And let's check out Chubb real quick here. So compared to the rest, this is much more lenient underwriting. For that 25, 50, or 75K selection, you see right here, they only have to be working at least 30 hours per week to qualify for coverage. That's why we say nearly guaranteed issue. And then there's, I believe it's just 4 health questions to obtain the 100, 125, or 150K. Another highlight, if you're in the groups department or sales, as long as you have 5+, they want portable guaranteed renewable coverage. It's got a nice streamlined group enrollment process. And it's also available, another really key highlight, it's also available in Florida and California. So if you are agents in those states or are licensed in those states, you know that short-term care is not currently obtainable for your clients, but this is another nice solution to kind of have in your back pocket for the clients that aren't eligible for the long-term care or hybrid products. So just a few things to keep in mind, and a little more deep dive on the hybrid league benefits. These products blend they blend permanent life insurance or have annuity chassis with long-term care benefits. So it creates an integrated solution designed to address both care needs and legacy objectives. So structurally, hybrid policies allocate a portion of premium dollars towards the LTC benefits while maintaining a life insurance death benefit that remains payable if the long-term care benefits are never used. They all are kind of designed a little similar, but a little bit differently. So they operate through an acceleration and extension model. So first accelerating the policy's death benefit to pay for qualifying care needs, then extending benefits through an additional LTC rider that really multiplies that available pool that they can access. So with these again are becoming more popular with the growing consumer interest driven by the rising care cost and changing family dynamics. Hybrid products now represent a major segment of the long-term care planning solutions. So for insurance agents, understanding the hybrid structures enables you to effectively educate the alignment of the product and really stress the need, or depending on your client's needs, be able to present this product to them. Key selling points, the dreaded use it or lose it fear is eliminated. Benefits can flow to care needs, a death benefit, or cash value. So your clients won't feel like they're paying for something they hope that they never have to use. They offer guaranteed premiums, so meaning no increases over time, providing long-term care certainty in that case. And in an unpredictable world, that stability is highly valued. So that really makes them stand out and provides legacy value if long-term care is never used again. So clients have a lump sum or flexible funding options, ideal for those with idle cash or sitting cash, CDs, savings, or low yield assets. So in 3 words, you could describe them as care, legacy, or cash. Alrighty, folks, we're wrapping up here, but quick summary. So together, these product families empower you, the agents, to serve a wide range of client needs, regardless of their age, health history, or financial goals. So by integrating these solutions to your portfolios, you can better address the growing national demand for extended care planning, and then offer customizable protection tailored to your client's needs. And with GoldenCare's diverse portfolio, this is going to enhance your ability to deliver personalized, effective planning. And here are the heroes and incredible faces behind GoldenCare's superior back office support. You can email us, call us, text, write a letter. It'll take a while for a response, but whatever your preference is. And I want to thank you all for joining me today. I hope you learned something. Before you go, keep an eye on your inbox. You'll be receiving a CE voucher, full copy of today's slides, recording, and use them, share them, build with them, and always remember, you're never alone when you partner with GoldenCare. I hope you all enjoy the remainder of your week. Take care.
GoldenCare is looking forward to serving you with new tools, new products, new innovations, and always the best support in the business to help you succeed in 2022. So give us a call at 800-842-7799 or check out our website at www.goldencareagent.com.